Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market. And today we talk about Starward Industries. And little disclaimer, I'm invested in the stock with 0.05% of my overall wealth portfolio. So guys, therefore I would say, yeah, you see already here, that's the Invincible. This is the new game by Starward Industries, which is going to be published by 11-bit Studios, which is also my friends, a company that you can buy the stock from, and Starward Industries is the developer. So who is Starward Industries? Here we can see on the website who is Starward Industries. They are the game director Marek Makuzewski, and I think also the art directors are former Witcher 3 producers or Witcher 3 designers, developers. And you see already they have a lot of talent there, and they are I think they're in Warsaw. So AAA Experience Studio was founded by a group of creators who were instrumental to the success of The Witcher 3 and Cyberpunk and Dead Island, Dying Light and Call of Juarez. So Starward Stream, etc. So check out this website, very interesting. Also here, Starward Industries, they have already an investor relation website where you can also find some more information. Then you can buy this stock now also in Germany. So finally, and then for example here, oops. Here we go. Here's the stock. This is the stock then in Warsaw. So I'm invested in the Polish stock, so I'm not invested in the German version of it. And I recently bought in, and I'm already in the minus. I think I bought in around about. Let's have a look. Yeah, round about 56. So I bought in at 56 zloty. So why did I buy in 56 zloty? So, and especially when they're only going to have one single game. So that's a good question. I mean, for me, let's put it like this. This is extremely speculative. So also disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a YouTuber, a retail investor, and I'm not an expert in the numbers. So I have to admit this, but I'm going to give you a good nexus between gaming and companies and the stock market. So that's my purpose of my channel. So why did I buy in? So I think like we might have found some sort of bottom support line here. So from a mere technical point of view, of course, the stock is not really interested in the end. In the technical point of view, can also go under 40 zloty. So if this happens, that's fine for me. But I just wanted to participate, to be honest, in this new company, in the small company. It is a very small company. If we go again here, we check out the market cap. So where was it here? Market cap is 102 million Polish zloty, guys. So this is not a lot. This is really not a lot. So fun in 2018, then in Poland, of course. So, but you, as I said, you can buy them now also on the European market. So I found this very intriguing to get now in. And when this new game that they're developing, the Invincible, if this is going to be a flop, then yeah, then forget Starward Industries. Then the price will drop massively. So then we won't see even those valuations anymore. So also you see here they went even to 133, then in 22, and then in 2021, when of course the big bubble for all the tech stocks was going on during the pandemic. Then after this they also fell like all the rest. So but at one point they might find some support, and of course, my friends, it depends a lot on the Invincible, on the game. So what do they write here? Rethink Dominion in the Invincible, a story-driven adventure set in a hard sci-fi world by Stanislaw Lem. Discover planet Regis 3 as scientist Jasna use atom punk tools looking for missing crew. Okay, the text is actually not so good. They could rewrite this, but we have already 20,000 followers. So if this game is going to be success, then I'm sure we're also going to see even more games. So what I saw, I really liked what I saw. So is this probably some very interesting single player walking simulator with extremely nice graphics and good storyline. So if this is going to be the case, so I'm going to play this game, I'm going to get this game, and I just want to participate in this new developer. So I really like this, that we actually had here the possibility to invest this. So then the Invincible had already a demo at the PGA, what that stands for, oh my god, some gaming exposition And then they say, yeah, people were extremely Polish gaming. Maybe Polish gaming exposition. So some of you had the chance to play the Invincible demo for the first time on the Poznan game arena. Oh my god, yeah, now we know it. So some of you went home with our gadgets, many of you answered our questionnaire, and your opinions have stunned us. So the feedback they collected was feedback forms collected 304. It's not a lot, but I mean in the gaming world it is kind of representative. Then average demo rating was 8 out of 10, so that's decent. So it's not 9 out of 10, so 8 out of 10, but 8 out of 10 is when, let's say, when the gamers are a bit more critical, that's definitely a good one. So graphics block and using Cyberpunk tool, 3 things people like the most. Then they got an award and a lot of interest for the game. So you can see here they had a little stand and people coming to play this game. So it's not going to be, it's not like the mega awesome big multi-million production and the game like everyone was waiting for. It's going to be probably be more a niche game, but on the other hand, guys, I think it's still very interesting to be part of this small company. So I'm definitely not recommending to invest in this company. So as I said, it's 0.05% of my portfolio, so that's not a lot. That's also in absolute terms, it's also not a lot, even that my portfolio is quite some size, but I cannot recommend, of course, to buy this stock. So strong sell, you see. So everyone is selling actually the stock. So sometimes you have to just make up your own mind, to take up your own decisions, of course, my friend. So no one can take this for you. It's a total growth stocks. We see only negative numbers. Everything now is negative. I mean, they come out of this pandemic bubble, gaming bubble. They are new. They have some investors from 11-bit, for example. They, of course, have no PE ratio yet because they haven't even published a single game. And of course, they will never pay, they won't pay a dividend so fast. So I'm taking back the never, of course. But my friends, so being part of this little journey it's interesting, it's thrilling, so I like it, and I like to support also the new gaming companies. And since I'm not, it's not possible for me to invest in those gaming companies via private equity or in the startups, I obviously have to invest in the gaming companies then via the public markets. And then, of course, my friends, it's important then that you're not buying them in, like for example here at 130 zlotys for a gaming company that has not yet released a single game. So this would have been probably not the smartest way, especially since it's a niche and it's not going to be like a Cyberpunk or a Witcher 3 game. It's going to be a decent multiplayer, single-player walking simulator game, so but which has all the possibilities to become a fan favorite, and then we're going to maybe see a sort of stabilization. But as I said, so I also could very much imagine that the stock price is falling lower. So nothing is running away here. Starward Industries, the company, is not running away. So just observe it if you are now a little bit more interested in it after my video. Just observe it. So don't have to jump into this, my friends. So definitely not necessary. All right, with that, I'm leaving it here. I hope you have a wonderful day and check out some of my other videos. So I'm trying to upload again more regularly on my gaming finance channel here. I actually wanted all the time to upload a new video for, of course, for CD Projekt, but also for Embracer and Ubisoft. And then I'm also going to get a little bit in the Japanese stocks of Capcom and Square Enix in the future, because we don't have a lot of big gaming companies left when it comes to the stock market. And therefore, I mean, Activision is going to be bought by Microsoft. And if this deals go through, then also one of the big companies is going to be merged into Microsoft. All right, so with that, I'm leaving it here. See you next time. Bye-bye.